So, based sa napanood ko sa TED Talk is, sa una, andi ako that really stay with me from Brené Brown or Brené Browns. And it, she talk was when she said that vulnerability is not weakness, but actually a source of courage and connection. That surprised me because I always I always I always thought that being vulnerable meant being weak or too emotional. It made me realize that I often made my feelings because I don't want to be judged. So from sa kay naman Dan Gilbert's talk, and what stood about me was the idea that we can synthesize happiness, meaning we can create happiness even when things don't go to the way we plan. That really affected me because I usually think I can only be happy if things turn out exactly how I want. And so parehas naman silang na-avoid yung risk and disappointment. So nakadepende pa rin ako sa kakalabasan ng magiging feeling ko na happy. Ganyan. So sa pangalawa naman is the story I often tell myself that I'm not confident though enough that na lagi akong nabe-behind or lagi ako na iko-kumpara sa mga iba. Sa school naman, I feel like others are smarter or better than me. And that makes me hesitate to speak up and try new things naman. So I also tell myself that I only be happy when I achieve na kahit yung maliit na bagay lang, ganyan. Masaya na ako doon and successful ako sa future ko. As yun, kahit ganyan yung ko, sometimes nafe-feel ko yung stress and hindi ako nasasatisfied sa ganun. So, yan. Ayun yung nafe-feel ko sa ngayon. So, next is, bago ko, tapusin yung TED Talk, na-realize ko lang na pwede naman mabago yung story or hindi lang ako ganun sa confidence ko. Kasi lagi kong ina-avoid yung mga sitwasyon ko and lagi ko naman hindi ko na open yung pagiging ko tawag dun, fail, ganyan. So, hindi ko siya na-open so, hindi ako agad mag-grow. Gets niyo ba? Ganyan. So, sa pang-apat naman is, ang tutunan ko lang is, one small change, and I will try this month to participate in class, at least one a week. Yan lang. Yun yung ko. Kahit na nag-feel ko yung kinakabahan ako, so, may practice naman ako nun siguro. So, ayun. Kailangan ko lang maging perfect kailangan ko lang maging confidence and huwag ako kabahan sa mga ganyan. So, yun lang. Bye!